Hi, and welcome to another Wednesday Walkabout at Jenkins Arboretum and Gardens. My name is Jacob Summers, and I'm a Hamilton Educational Fellow here. All the fellows at Jenkins have an independent project that we must complete as part of our fellowship. Today I'm standing on Azalea Hill at the location of my independent project, where I will be installing a legacy garden for Holly Springs azaleas. The Holly Springs azaleas were hybridized by an azalea hybridizer by the name of Pete Vines, who lived in Springfield, Virginia. Holly Springs is named after the town of Holly Springs, Mississippi, close to where Pete Vines attended university at the University of Mississippi. There are about 100 cultivars of Holly Springs azaleas, and they are small in stature with beautiful flowers that tend to be somewhat later blooming. Part of Jenkins' mission is to promote environmental horticulture through conservation. This is accomplished through ongoing projects that expand and preserve plant species, such as this one. So we are trying to have every cultivar, every hybrid of Holly Springs in this garden, of which there are about 100, and we hope to have at least 3 specimens of each. This will act as a germplasm repository for the future. The Northern Virginia chapter of the Azalea Society of America has graciously donated many of the Holly Springs cultivars that we will be using. In addition, many of the members have provided fantastic guidance for this project. The next steps will be to start implementing the design. This will involve transplanting many of the current existing species of plants out of the garden or moving them to new areas within this zone, including many of the native pinkster azaleas, also known as Rhododendron paraclaminoides. We are very thankful that so many of our volunteers will help us with this project. We will be installing a path here in the Holly Springs Legacy Garden that will start from the circle behind me on Azalea Hill and come through with 2 switchbacks ending by a large black oak overlooking the Browning hillside. In addition, we will have a sign explaining the Holly Springs Legacy Garden and a couple of benches allowing people to contemplate the beauty of the garden and enjoy a new vista. When I was designing this garden, I made sure to take into account the bloom times of the azaleas as well as the colors to make sure that we wouldn't have any clashing combinations, and so that there would be a variety of blooms happening at different times throughout the season. This year we will be doing a lot of transplanting in the Holly Springs garden, and we hope that by next spring we'll be planting a lot of the Holly Springs hybrids. In the meanwhile, I hope that you will come and visit the garden and enjoy everything we have to offer here at Jenkins Arboretum. Thank you so much.